Mini DisplayPort to VGA cable, 6 feet, 1. 8 meters, Mini DisplayPort 1. 2, HBR2, to VGA cable connects a VGA display, monitor, projector supporting 1920x1200 1080p at 60 Hz, DPCP HDCP 1. 4, EDID DDC pass-through ensure compatibility between source display. Host compatibility. Active digital to analog converter supports MDP, MDP++ source including Thunderbolt 1.2 MacBooks, MacBook Air Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro 1-6, desktops, AMD FirePro, NVIDIA Quadro, laptops, Mini ITX computers, Intel NUC docks I. NTEGRATED display cable. Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter cable has slim flexible design with video adapter chip built into VGA connector reducing clutter providing a tidy install in the office, boardroom or home office. Increase productivity. Connect a VGA monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using this MDP to VGA display adapter cable. Supports VGA screw locking cable to prevent accidental disconnection, gold-plated connectors. Easy to use. With no software or drivers required, the Mini DP to VGA converter cord works with any OS including Windows, Ubuntu and Mac OS. Compatible with Mini DP devices like Microsoft Surface PCs or TB1 per terabyte 2 MacBooks. MDP mail to VGA mail. Top reviews from the United States. If you need for a mini port, this is it. Great mini port item, I use it with my Dell and it has worked as expected. This is my second purchase, bought one short and one long one, use it for meetings all the time.